Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. As a previous session, we have discussed about the what is the thrombolytic drug, what is the thrombolysis, how they work, how to plasminogen convert it into the fibrin protein, what is the activator. So in this session, we have discussed about thrombolytic drug, which is the streptokinase and urokinase. Sources of the streptokinase are they are protein produced by the beta hemolytic streptococci. This is a bacteria which is produced streptokinase. It has no intrinsic enzymatic activity. It combines with the proactivated plasminogen form a complex. This complex is catalyze the conversion of plasminogen to active plasmid. So rapid lysis of clot by the plasmin. This complex will also catalyze the clotting factor 5 and 8. So, from the streptokinase convert plasminogen to plasmin, and then further it will be activated to fibrin. Then it will be help to the clot of blood. Plasma half-life is 40 to 80 minutes. The streptokinase plasminogen complex is not inhibited by the neutral alpha-2 antiplasmin. Adverse fact no clot specific, so it can be created to generalize lytic state when the administrative. Thus, both protective hemostatic thrombi and target thrombi are broken down. Hemorrhage, more serious cerebral hemorrhage, and the allergic reaction also have been causes the fever. Clinical uses of streptokinase are acute myocardial infarction administered by the either the intravenous and the intracoronal route of the reduction of infract size and coagulative heart failure associated with the AMI, pulmonary embolism, and the deep vein thrombus and the anterior thrombus embolysis. It can be indicated to the arterial emboli and originated from the left side of heart, and this varies few phenomena, and it is the clearly totally or partial arteriovenous canal which acceptable flow the cannot be achieved. Urokinase, it has a two-chain serine protease containing 411 amino acid reduced isolated from the culture human kidney cells. It is the enzyme produced by the kidney and found in urine. It converted plasminogen to active plasmin as streptokinase also work as simple. It is not clot specific, so it can create a generalized lytic state when administrated. Thus, both protective hemostatic thrombi and target thrombi are broken down. Urokinase administrated by the intravenous infusion is rapidly cleared by the liver in a elimination half-life of biological activity of 12 to 20 minutes, and the clinical uses of urokinase are their lysis of the acute massive pulmonary embolism. So these are the thrombolytic drugs, which is the urokinase, streptokinase. They so generally they are a regulation factor in help in a blood clotting. I hope you are satisfying with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeth Women's University. Thank you.